Just a quick video, just a part two of what I just did with the strange math. Don't forget, my second wife and I have an extremely crazy, whacked out mathematical anomaly where my number, which is 7 times 6 times 1961, so my number is 82362, and she's 10 times 28 times 1973. That's her birthday. So her number is 55244. Well, when you multiply our two numbers together, you get that number that I spit out in the previous video, part one of the strange math, 455-000-6328. Well, it's 45 is Trump's big number, and then 500 is the number for Antichrist. So our number begins with 45 and then 500. And when you multiply she and I's combined number times the year, like 2023, you get a rotation every other year of the middle three digits. When I met her, it was, and then the first year I met her was 2005, the next year 2006. I met her at the end of 2005, October 22nd, like I told you in the previous video, my son's birthday. And it was when my son turned 22 on the 22nd, and our divorce was on 2/2, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. We've been all through this, right? I mean, it's the way all this stuff connects. With all of their end times, predictive programming, and so forth. It was 626, 126. It's a 16-year rotation. Then starting in 2007, it began 627, 127, 627, 127, 627, 1. And starting in 2023, it begins at 628, 128. I have experimented mathematically with a calculator. This goes on to infinity. You can go down to the year Trump was born, and hit the year before, year after, and you still got rotations. I've done it back to centuries, and it's fascinating. So the fact that what I showed you in the previous video, make sure you watch it, or this one won't make any sense. Strange math. That's the thumbnail that it gave me. Is there any better thumbnail than the old red eye? That's pretty much it. I didn't have any thumbnail to really upload with it. But when you watch that video and you see the strange math, I wanted to give you this math also as part of I wanted to give you this math also, the anomaly of my second wife and I. Now, one thing I didn't do in the previous video that I just now did was the 8143 and the 4497, multiply them by each other. It does end with the 71 for that July 1st date. So go back and watch the previous video. It's not long. And yeah, it ends in 71, whether you use the entire number or not. Anyway, see previous video. You'll know what I'm talking about that. All right, love y'all. Strange math.